So, welcome to all of you out there. I am Saranya Narayanamurthy and I am a business coach and a marketing strategist. So, today in this episode, I am going to speak about power of thinking big. So, today at the end of the video, I am going to convince you stating that you are not working towards your fullest potential. And what do you think is the result of it? You will be able to achieve bigger goals than you are doing right now. So, are you ready to get started? Okay, let us move in. So before we get started, what are your ambitions? Or do you even have an ambition? Okay, so now pause the video for 20 seconds and ask yourself again, and if you already know, ask yourself it again, what your real ambitions are. Okay, so now do you have a clear idea of what your ambitions are? Fine, great. So now look at the mirror and ask yourself, if you work hard with your fullest potential and if you're going to keep hustling, is it the maximum you can achieve in your lifetime? Okay, so if you are skeptical, let me tell you this. 7 out of 10 people underestimate what they can do in their entire lifetime. So you know what? This might be you. Okay, so now relax. So now that you're starting to think and you have an idea, okay, so is that me? Okay, so now that you have this doubt, I am very sure you are not going to be that. So in order to not make you as disappointed as I was, I am now making this video to explain you clearly how much you are really worth it. So you want to know what actually disappointed me? Okay, so the background was this. So back in 2016, when I was around 18, I had this firm ambition in my mind. And that is to grab a corporate job with 7 LPA per annum in 2023. When that is once I complete my MBA. So that was my goal. So back then when I had that goal, I used to think, okay, I should prepare myself for that job. I should take all these courses and certificates which should actually allow me to do that. And lot and other stuff. So now, fast forward to 2021, I have already made over 1 million in my own business in 2020 itself. So I am very much ahead of my goals, which I would have been achieving in 2023. Okay, so imagine what would have happened if I was only thinking that was my entire goal. So you know what? I didn't work for this 1 million. I never worked with firm determination for that 1 million. Things happened with a flow and I was very happy for it. So there were just 2 things which actually helped me achieve it. Number 1, when the opportunity came, I didn't think of anything else and I stepped out of my comfort zone. And number 2, hustle. So just imagine if by 2016 itself, I would have had this goal, I would have hustled even more. I would have looked up for more opportunities and ultimately this 1 million might have been 10 million. So now do you think what your shortcomings are? It's nothing. You don't just realize what your real goals are. And most of the time, even when we know what we really want from life, we are too much afraid to actually pursue them. Because for our eyes, it may seem something too big or too distant or something which is practically impossible. Yeah, that's the word the society gives for your dreams, which is too big or something which you actually discover the purpose of your life is. They say it's practically not impossible. Okay, so leaving all the social stigma aside, now I am going to tell you how you can exactly discover what your dreams are. So close your eyes for a moment, ask yourself, what is a life that I wanted to live with all my life? Ask yourself, it can be owning a big beach house in Manhattan, or it can be a world tour forever in your life, or it can be running a chain of businesses, or it can be being the best speaker of the world, or it can be becoming a world-renowned artist. Whatever, what your biggest goals are. So now if you say, okay, I wanted to become a president. So that was my, action-oriented interest, or that was my passion, you could say. Or that was what I actually wished I was. Okay, so if you ever wished in your life that you want to be that is your real goal. Anyway, it is not going to come in front of you and say you that is your goal, just go and pursue it and come over, you can definitely be that. Nobody is going to tell you that. But you know what? In case if you fix it as your goal and if you are furious enough to actually follow it up, you can definitely back it up. So, are you ready to get started at least? Okay, so again, another research. This was from the this was from the state of Oreland actually. So what they have confirmed is that people set goals which are very much below their own potential. So this way, They set the limitation for themselves. So the limitation isn't coming from outside, it's not coming from society or not from a family as we ever thought of. It is coming for ourselves. We set our own limitations. So once you think you can achieve your goal, nobody can ever deceive it. What the mind can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. So if you think you can get over it, and if you think you can achieve your dreams, leave a comment below so that it will not just empower you but will also motivate others around you. And after 5 or 10 years, come back and check the comments and see what you have achieved. If you have really believed in your dreams and if you really have the power to actually chase your dreams, you will definitely be that one dream which you always dreamt of. So with this inspiration, I am signing off for today. And if you wanted to stay tuned to more such content and if you really wanted to achieve your dreams, keep waiting for more. Bye bye.